In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set basic signing order in Pandadoc. Setting a signing order is useful when you need recipients to sign in a specific sequence. For example, one person may need to review and sign before the next person can continue. Pandadoc makes this easy to control from the Recipients panel, and it only takes a moment to set up. Start by opening the template or document you want to send. Make sure you are in the editor view so you can access recipient settings. Next, look to the top right area of the page and click Manage Recipients. This opens the section where you can see everyone who will receive the document and where you can adjust how signing works. Inside Manage Recipients, find the option labeled Signing Order. You will see a switch icon next to it. Click that switch to turn signing order on. Once it is enabled, Pandadoc will enforce the sequence you set, meaning recipients will be prompted to sign only when it is their turn. Now you will arrange the recipients in the correct order. Next to each recipient, there is a small handle that looks like 6 dots. Click and hold that handle, then drag the recipient up or down in the list. As you reorder them, pay attention to the sequence so it matches your intended workflow. After you place the recipients in the right positions, assign the signing order numbers. Set them as 1, 2, 3, and so on, depending on how many signers you have. The person marked as 1 will receive the document first. The next signer will not be able to sign until the previous person completes their part. This helps prevent confusion and keeps the process organized, especially when approvals must happen in a specific order. Before sending, take a quick moment to confirm the recipient list is correct and the order numbers match the same top-to-bottom arrangement you intended. When everything looks right, save your changes. Then click Send to deliver the document with the signing order enforced. That covers everything you need to know.